Hey everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I have a letter, and this is written in October 1951. This is from James, and it's going to Barbara. James really likes Barbara. Oh, it's quite long. I haven't read through this letter yet. So I have here like a 4-page letter. Okay, here we go. And this is from Fort Bragg, North Carolina, going to Memphis, Tennessee. And just as a backstory, Barbara has some admirers, and there's not only just one. This will be good. Barbara, would you mind writing and telling me why I haven't received a letter from you? It's because you hadn't had time, or you can't find the time, or is it you don't want to find the time? Barbara. You are in a sticky situation, Barbara. Sticky, sticky. Girl, I want to know what's the matter. Barbara. I know I'm in no place to demand you to write, to tell you what and what not to do. All I can say is what I would like for you to do. I'm homesick, baby. Oh, this is getting spicy. I'm homesick for you, a mother, and my father. Okay, well, if you're telling a girl you're homesick, don't be bringing your mom and dad into it, because it's probably not going to go well. I know you all are not helping a thing by not writing, not even a penny postcard. Oh! Barbara, just write him a stupid letter. Like, I took my dog for a walk today. The sun was shining. I seen Florence at church. I don't know. I don't care if it's such stuff as I saw a stone roll up a hill. See what I mean? They don't care what it is. Just write the dumb letter. I don't care what it is, but if you don't write soon, I'm going AWOL, and it is capitalized. I'm coming home to see for myself. Oh! Whoa! Oh no, Barbara. Barbara, you better be a good girl. And baby, you can take that for what it's worth. My stripes don't mean that much to me. I know one thing for sure. If it wasn't for my knee taking me to the hospital, I would be in my buddy's place right now. Oh, I haven't told you yet, have I? Well, me chute didn't open until I was 15 feet from the ground. He may not live. Oh! Ooh, he had surgery a couple days ago. He almost died from his chute not opening, and you can't write him a letter? Barbara. Come on, Barbara. If I could go back in time, I'd write this guy a letter and just write Barbara's name on it. What does this matter to nothing while all these parties are going on? But I meant what I said. It was my chute that didn't open. Mean anything? Why, hell no. Oh, no. Okay. James, if you want a girl to write you, maybe say sweet nothings and not be like, oh yeah, I don't mean anything to you. Okay, James. This is kind of a wrong approach. If you want a girl to write back to you, maybe try to be like super nice. Just saying. Okay. It could have been me, but God didn't want it that way, I guess. But just pass it over like everything else I say. Because it's not me that isn't expected to live. Why worry about it, right? Well, hell no. It's not right. Okay, I think James is a little mad at Barbara. I blame myself for it. If it wasn't for me, he would have been all right now. It was my chute. Oh, no. Ooh. James. Wonder what happened. Oh no. The one I was supposed to jump with. Why did I let him have it? Oh no. Oh no. I'm sick to the bone because it's my blame. I haven't anything to think about now, but that last long cold night I held you, wondering what happened. Think about it all day long. At night I dream about the boy who's in my place. Oh no! No! Oh no. I don't know how that feels. Just saying. His name is Jimmy, and I'm not gonna say the last name. Yes, that's why we have become buddies. It's because of our names being so alike. At night I dreamt of him jumping with my chute. I can see him in the doorway looking up, waiting to jump. He jumps, nothing happens. I can see him in the doorway looking and waiting to jump. He jumps and nothing happens, 200 feet off the ground. By now, no time to pull another one. So he gets his last look at the earth coming up to him, 15 feet from the ground now, and it opens somehow, but it's too late. So it helps him a little bit, but will he live or will he die? That's what got me sick, just thinking about him all the time. Well, baby, here's a big shock for you. I'm coming home. Barbara, hide the man under your bed. Oh no. Oh no. This is making me nervous. Oh. Within the next month or sooner, it depends on how long my grandmother lives. Okay, I'm not laughing. What? I hope she lives forever, but she will not last much longer. I know you might say, what the hell does it matter to me? Well, it means a whole hell of a lot, because I love you, Barbara. I'm coming to find out what happened to the girl I took to the first football game. And not the second. I have a funny feeling it's because of that damn nurse at the doctor's office. It's what she told you or asked you after you went in to see the doctor. She came out and laughed her silly head off for what a mistake she had made. My uncle is getting a divorce from her as soon as he can. He can't stand her any longer. She caught him on a rebound. And if I find out that that's what hang the lovable little girl I first knew, well, she had better head for the hills, because I'll give her hell on all sides. Whew! Jimmy, I can't wait till you get home. Oh boy, this is exciting. Barbara, this is like really exciting. I'll go to bed now, baby, and wait till tomorrow to see if I hear from you. So long for now. All my love, Jimmy. Oh, I need to buy some more of these. Oh my goodness. I wonder if there's any more of these out there. Oh my goodness. Memphis, Tennessee is heating up in 1951. Woo! I think I'll look through here and see if there's any more from Jimmy, because now I really want to know. Whew, Jimmy. Oh my goodness, Barbara! I hope you two got married in the end. This is some hot romance. Okay, so long for now, everybody. Bye.